Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel, and as you can see I've got a funny little issue with the wipers on the TVR. Now this is actually very common on Chimeras. Just about everybody you speak to who owns a Chimaera either has this problem still or has had it before in the past, and I'm going to show you what is the most common cause of it, and I'm going to see if I can fix it today in this video. So stay tuned and I'll see you right after this. Right then guys, so it's the first time I've actually showed you the engine bay, I think, on the Chimaera, but here we go. The 4 litre V8. But this is the bit we are concentrating on. So this is your wiper motor mechanism. And just underneath it, just there, is the little mechanism, that the little switch, that is the park switch. And believe it or not, that's actually a piece off of an old classic Mini. Very cheap to replace, so I'm just going to have a little look, see if it is something I can easily just clean up and get working, or whether I'm going to have to replace it and get a new one. So that's what I'm going to do today guys. So first thing, just going to undo these two 10mm nuts which hold that in place, that enable it to move out of the way, and then I can get in there, just disconnect that plug and get into the park switch. So that's what I'm going to do next. Just to be cautious as well guys, I've disconnected the earth lead which is there under the dash, so that is done, and I've undone the two 10mm bolts. I sprayed some WD-40 on first, because knowing what old cars are like for nuts snapping, thought I'd put a bit of WD on first, and then the bracket that holds it in is this one. So I've removed that, just put that down on the floor out of the way. And now you can see the whole bracket lifts up, and you can see the switch underneath and all the various wires that run to it, or run from the switch to the motor itself, going actually into the motor there. So I'm gonna have to make a note of where each wire goes, and then unplug it, remove it off the car, and see if I can clean it up, see if I can get it working. So that's the next thing I'm gonna do. Well, that were good. The second I've unplugged the plug, this bit has fell off and has all kind of dismantled itself. So that's not a good thing, is it? That's not going to help it work. Right, let's get this removed and we'll see what I find. Okay, so this is inside the switch. It just kind of pulls off from underneath the wiper motor. I did have to, well, when I pulled it off, it kind of went ba-ding, and that little clip went flying. But it didn't go flying, it didn't go far, it were only in here, but I had to just look on the internet to see how it should be positioned and put it back in the correct place. But as you can see, it's just got these contacts inside. The little plunger goes down, and it goes between the two contacts. There's not really a lot to it. But that top one, like I said, that just pulled straight out when I pulled the plug off. So I don't know if it was out of alignment and it wasn't making contact. So all I'm going to do very simply is put this back together, because all the contacts inside do look clean. Looks like it has potentially had a solder repair in there at some point in the past. I'm just going to put it back together and put it on, and I'm going to try it and see if it works. But I can't see anything in this switch that could cause it to stop working, other than the fact that that dropped out as soon as I unplugged the plug. But other than that, it's a very simple switch, and it looks clean. All the contacts inside look clean. I don't know if it might be worth just cleaning it up. There might be a little bit of scorch mark on that. I might just clean it up with a little bit of light sandpaper. But yeah, I'm just going to put it back together, put it back on, put the battery back on, and see what happens. Right then guys, so I've put it all back together. Now one thing I did notice, the little park switch, right, when it pushes in under the motor, it pushes up and then slides across. Now if it doesn't slide across and seat quite right, that little plunger that I showed you doesn't actually sit in the right position and it doesn't actually plunge when it should plunge. So that switch has to be in exactly the right position, otherwise it doesn't work. So let's see now what happens. So there we go guys, fixed. And that's all it was. Just that switch was actually just not aligned quite right in the motor, and now it's working spot on. The only thing I do have to say now is that when the wipers are parking, they're parking a little bit higher up than I'd like them to park. So I don't know how I can adjust that, but that's my next little thing I'm going to try and do. But I think that's a good win for today, that guys. So thanks a lot as always for watching. Please do like, browse and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Laters.